Matthew Ladd here. This week's Superstar of the Week is the 2024 Kenworth T880 12-wheeler dump truck. Now this truck checks a lot of boxes. Let's go take a look. Cummins X15 500V 1850, check. Dual exhaust, check. Allison 4500 RDS 6-speed automatic transmission, check. Simard lift axle, check. ART 19.5 foot dump body, check. Full lock differentials, check. Possibility to add a pup trailer in the back, check. Inspection door, check. Additional spotlights mounted on the fenders, check. Ready to work and could be yours? Well, that we'll have to check. And that's a quick look at our Kenworth T880 available for sale right now. Contact one of our sales reps at 514-735-2581 to know about the promotions on right now on this truck. Once again, that's 514-735-2581 to get your hands on this Kenworth T880 12-wheeler dump truck today.